Pretty sure I'm still the coolest spider hero in any reality.
He'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I sense your concern, but you have already proven your worth. If this battle is to be won, it will be because you are on our side.
Time for
The
some
battle starts in
fireworks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know
You
what
have
to do,
to stop them
spiders?
from securing the mission area.
Yeah, personally, I think one is way more.
Hello.
This is gonna hurt. Spiders get the job done. Time for some fireworks.
I need assistance.
Powering up. Time for some fireworks. This is gonna hurt.
Our enemies are near.
I'm good to go. Looks like bullets break your magic.
Don't count us out yet.
Oh, I need assistance.
Powering up.
Good
Peter
medicine.
Quill, unstuck friends. Gather around.
No, that doesn't count.
Beware, behind you.
It's spider time! Destroy that arc. I hope I'm not cursed now.
I'm doing this my way. The moon haunts
Hang on,
you.
you friends. Time for some fireworks. Powering up. Lines in place. Gear up, little one. Spider scanner's located in all.
We are undefeatable.
We're seriously outgunned here.
Only 60 seconds left.
No, that doesn't count.
Step lightly.
Might be more ox.
Gear up, little one. This is gonna hurt.
I unleash the machine.
Time for some fireworks.
Smoke screen.
No, that
You need to
doesn't
stop that
count.
vehicle in its tracks.
Benjamin J. Quinn, reporting for duty.
Clogs to clogs and...
Gear up, little one.
Better stop that
This is gonna hurt.
Step lightly. Might be more ox.
I'm opening a portal.
Lines in place.
moon
Nice
haunts
deep.
you!
You know what to do, fighters? Time for some fireworks. Whoever they are, they don't look friendly. You're up, little ones. This is gonna hurt.
You stopped them in their tracks. One of Moon Knight's only 60 seconds left.
Mine's in place. It just wasn't your day. They can't hurt us now. This is gonna hurt.
You stopped them in their tracks. Chaos control. Down to 30 seconds.
Time for
By
some
the
fireworks.
Need some help.
Penny Parker, go girl. Boy. We made quite a team. Time for some fireworks.
The final 10 seconds. I suck. Pure chaos! You stopped them in their tracks.
Hurry up.
The current score is 0-1. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 2.
Pretty sure I'm still the coolest spider hero in any reality. I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope it.
Okay, here's the 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I couldn't even trust you to write an accurate news story, Eddie. What's changed?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it? Chin up. They are coming from behind. Chin up. Chin up. Friends, gather around. We are pure chaos!
Partners, let's
You can't get rid of that so easy. Major Lasky. Mighty Eye of Agamotto!
Double KO!
Blaze of glory.
Right? Someday.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
That is my promise.
It's clobbering time!
Us against the world!
On your tail! That's one sweet Spider-Mobile, kids!
Goodbye. I'm wounded. Who will help?
Kinda.
Double KO!
The path to Budokan is dangerous. We will protect you.
Let's cook some more! Dragon Unleashed!
Disappearing. I need assistance.
You can't get rid of us so easy.
Final score, 2-1.